A new humanoid robot out of China is causing a stir. Combining advanced AI with human-like movement and exceptional vision, the robot is now being used to build cars. But is this just another AI threat to your job? Kurt, the cyber guy, joins us now. This is really kind of scary looking.
This is what Elon Musk told us we should be worried about coming out of China. In Shanghai, there's an auto show last week, and they showed this off again. This is a super amazing, smart humanoid robot that they would like us to eventually put in our houses, have them around the office. So you wonder, is this a job killer or is this innovation that's going to help us? This one is certainly a job killer. And then you wonder, if this has so much AI in it and these really amazing brains, I mean, it could, the processing power inside of this thing, and by the way, it can't see 360 degrees. It sees 720 degrees. What does that mean? It means it not only can see around, it can see up and down, it can see depth. So when these things start to make decisions, we got problems. And that's where they're headed with it.
And I don't want one in my house.
Not yet.